Hello and welcome to this no-code tutorial. Today we're going to be creating a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets from Zapier. Firstly, we have this form built with Florm. It contains the field's first name, last name and favorite food. When this form gets submitted, we want to insert these three fields into a Google Sheet row. We have this trigger already set up in Zapier. The first thing you need to do is select the Sheets app when creating a new action. You will need to connect to a Google account and give Zapier the correct permissions. This is pretty straightforward, therefore it is not covered here. You then want to create a new Google Sheet. Across the first row, you want to create column headings that correspond to the data you want to show. Back in Zapier, you want to select your drive from the Drive drop-down. Select your spreadsheet from the Spreadsheet drop-down and Worksheet from the Worksheet drop-down. Zapier will then refresh, turning each of the columns you've just created into its own field. In each of these fields, you want to select the corresponding values from your trigger. Click Continue and Test Action. We should now see our test data in the spreadsheet. Hit the Publish button and you're ready to go. Now back in Florm, we're going to enter our details and submit the form. Depending on your Zapier subscription, this data will be pulled through every 1 to 15 minutes. For the purposes of this demo, I have triggered it manually. Then in our spreadsheet, if everything has been successful, we should see our submitted data. That's it for now. If there are any Zapier integrations you want a tutorial for, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you want to use Florm for yourself, check out the link in the video description.